In this video, we'll give a full review of the Wells Fargo Active Cash card, which is one of the best catch-all credit cards on the market, as it offers straight 2% cashback on your purchases, regardless of the spend category, all with no annual fee. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor or accountant, and this video is for general educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Feel free to pause the video to read the disclaimer or find the full disclaimer in the video description below. The Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card is a great no-frills catch-all card, especially for beginners. Right off the bat, there's no annual fee for this card. With this card, you'll earn unlimited 2% cashback on your purchases, and there's no need to track your spend categories or activate offers every quarter. Since the cashback's unlimited, you don't need to worry about hitting any spend caps for your cashback, especially since your spending can really add up if you're using this as your main catch-all card. Most credit cards only offer you 1% cashback on non-category purchases, so you'll be earning double the cashback at that 2% rate. The cashback you earn won't expire as long as your account remains open, and there are a number of ways to redeem your rewards. You can redeem them for specific purchases you've made using your card, as a general statement credit to your card or to another Wells Fargo account you have, like a Wells Fargo checking account or mortgage, for cash at an ATM if you have a Wells Fargo ATM or debit card, or for gift cards for select merchants. And you can even use them to pay when checking out using PayPal at online stores as well. Honestly though, the easiest way to redeem your rewards is as a statement credit to your Wells Fargo Active Cash account. They've also recently reduced the original $25 threshold to be able to redeem your rewards as cashback, so you can now redeem your rewards once you earn just $1 in cashback, which is nice. They do also have a nice sign-up bonus right now. You can currently earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases within your first 3 months with the card. This is a pretty great bonus for the amount you need to spend. You're basically getting 40% off purchases totaling $500, and hitting the $500 spend threshold within those 3 months isn't hard, especially if you're using this card for all your miscellaneous purchases. For the bonus, you can use any of the available redemption options we mentioned earlier, but usually the statement credit to your Active Cash card is the easiest option. Since this is a no-frills card, it doesn't offer a ton of benefits, but it does offer cell phone protection. If you pay your cell phone bill using your Active Cash card, you can get up to $600 of cell phone protection against damage or theft. There is a $25 deductible and a limit of 2 paid claims per 12-month period, with each approved claim having that benefit limit of $600. There's currently also a 0% intra-APR for 15 months from account opening on your new purchases, as well as balance transfers that are made within 120 days of account opening. In terms of fees, this card has a few you should keep in mind. As of right now, once the 0% intra-APR ends, your variable APR will go up to 20.24%, 25.24%, or 29.99%. If you're considering doing a balance transfer, there's an introductory fee of either $5 or 3% of the amount of each balance transfer, whichever's greater, if it's completed within 120 days of account opening. If you do a balance transfer after those 120 days, the fee will go up to 5% of the amount of each balance transfer, with the minimum fee being $5. Of course, it's better to avoid balance transfers if you can, to avoid those fees. There is also a foreign transaction fee of 3% for this card, so it's best to stick to a card with no foreign transaction fees for any international purchases. I really love that this card gives you unlimited 2% cashback with no annual fee. I use this as my dedicated catch-all credit card for any non-category purchases I can't get higher cashback on with my other cashback credit cards. I also really like that you can get that $200 bonus as well, with a low spend requirement of just $500 within those 3 months. If you've been building up your credit card setup to maximize your cashback, or if you're newer to the credit card world and you want to get a card that makes it easy to earn straight cash back on your purchases without worrying about the category each purchase falls under, then this card's a great option to consider. There are quite a few other no annual fee catch-all cards that offer 2% cashback, and even some that sometimes offer 3% back depending on the situation, and some that don't have foreign transaction fees, but these cards usually don't offer a welcome bonus. I personally prefer credit cards that do offer a sign-up bonus, and I don't travel internationally that often, so this card's been a great fit for me so far. Plus, there's always the option to add another catch-all card to my lineup in the future. We do have a video on some other great catch-all cards if you're interested, which you can check out here. Outside of a catch-all card, if you want to maximize your cashback, you should be earning at least 3%, but ideally 4 to 5% cashback on your everyday categories like gas, groceries, and dining. We do have a bunch of videos on the best cards for different everyday categories, so you can check those out after this video. The Wells Fargo Active Cash card is a solid 2% cashback catch-all card that's worth getting in my opinion, especially with that $200 bonus. Of course, you'll need good credit to be approved for this card. Before you apply, make sure you also look up the most up-to-date offer to ensure you get the best deal available, especially for the sign-up bonus. Let me know in the comments. Do you have the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card, or are you thinking of getting it? If you don't have it, what card are you currently using as a catch-all credit card? If you liked this video, you may be interested in this next video on the best credit cards for gas, which can earn you up to 5% cash back on your gas station purchases. If you found this video helpful, it'd be a huge help if you could click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps get our videos out to more people to help them save money, and it's absolutely free. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, make sure you also click the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.